Hello viewers, welcome back to my another video. Many iPhone users are reporting that their WhatsApps keep crashing when send image to someone. In today's video, I will show you how to fix this issue. Solution 1 is send images via Photos app. To do this, open Photos app. Select the photo that you want to send. Tap share icon in the bottom left corner. Find WhatsApp and tap it. Then select the contacts that whom you want to send. Solution 2 is force restart your iPhone. First, quickly press and release the volume up button. Next, quickly press and release the volume down button. And finally, press and hold the side or power button until you see the Apple logo. Solution 3 is reset network settings. Resetting the network settings resets your Wi-Fi passwords, APN and VPN settings and cellular settings. To do this, open Settings app. Next, tap on General. Now scroll down to the bottom and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Here tap on Reset. Select Reset Network Setting. It will ask you to enter your iPhone's passcode. In the pop-up window, tap Reset Network Settings to confirm the process. Solution 4 is update your iPhone. Check whether your iPhone has new version of iOS update available or not. To do this, open Settings app. Next, tap on General. Tap on Software Update, and if update available, download and install it. This was today's video. Hope you like and enjoy the video. Do like, comment, share and also subscribe to Apple Info YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.